Okay, so let's see if we can complete this lab together. There are a bunch of tasks to complete in this lab. 6 tasks looks easy, but there's a lot to do to get this working. I'm going to start with customer router 1 and configure this autonomous system. Now, the first thing to note is that the topology has changed. Previously, we only had customer router 1 and customer router 2 in the autonomous system. Show IP interface gigabit 00 shows us that this interface on the router has a /30 mask. We need to change that to a /24 mask. If we don't do that, the routers will not form OSPF neighbor relationships with customer router 5. We also don't have loopback interfaces configured on this router. So first thing I'll do is create the loopback, which is 17.17.17.1/32 mask. And then on gigabit 00, the IP address needs to be 17.1.1.1.1/24 mask. Notice the OSPF relationship to customer router 2 has gone down. So on customer router 2, we need to do something similar. Show IP interface brief. No loopback is configured on this router, so IP address 17.17.17.2/32 mask. Do show IP interface gigabit 00. This router is also using a /30 mask. So interface gigabit 00, IP address 17.1.1.2 needs to be a /24 mask in this example. So show IP interface gigabit 00. Mask and IP address are correctly configured, and notice a OSPF relationship was formed. So show IP OSPF neighbor. We've got a neighbor relationship established to 17.1.1.1. And on customer router 1, show IP OSPF neighbor. We've got a neighbor relationship to customer router 2. We need to advertise the loopbacks into OSPF. So show IP OSPF interface brief shows us that only gigabit 00 has OSPF enabled on it. Do show run section OSPF as an example will show us how OSPF is configured. It's configured only on the interface, so network. And rather I need to go into OSPF first, so router OSPF 1, network 17.17.17.1, and I'll only add that loopback. So show IP OSPF interface brief. OSPF is now running on the loopback and gigabit 00. On router 2, show run section OSPF. OSPF is configured on this interface gigabit 00. Notice we have got default information originate always, but we've been told to remove that from OSPF. We are going to advertise a default route through BGP. So I'll remove that and add the network command for the loopback so that the loopback is advertised into OSPF. So we should be able to ping the loopback of router 1 from customer router 2, which we can. And customer router 2 should be able to ping the loopback of router 2 or customer router 2, which it can. Show IP route shows us that we are no longer learning a default route through OSPF on customer router 1, and that's per our instructions. We should only advertise a route through BGP. So do this in BGP and not OSPF, we've been told. Okay, so that's customer router 1 and customer router 2. Let's configure customer router 5, and I'll firstly configure the loopback, which is 17.17.17.5/32 mask. Gigabit 00, IP address will be 17.113/24 mask, and I'll enable OSPF on the individual interfaces in area 0 to be consistent with the other routers. So show IP OSPF interface brief. OSPF is enabled on the loopback and the gigabit 00 interface. So we should, as an example, be able to ping the loopbacks of the other routers, which we can. And again, on router 1, we should be able to ping the loopback of customer router 5, which we can. So we've got OSPF configured here. That switch, here's the switch. The switch actually has no configuration on it, but I am seeing a duplex mismatch on the switch. Show run interface gigabit 00. Notice negotiation is auto. So I'll say no negotiation auto. Speed, I'll make gig. Duplex, I'll make full. And then I'll need to do something similar on customer router 1. So interface gigabit 00, speed will be gig. Duplex will be full. And hopefully that will solve the problem of the duplex mismatches. I'll also configure the switch with a hostname of switch 1. So again, router 1 can ping the loopback of customer router 5 and customer router 2. OSPF has been configured in the autonomous system. We now need to configure BGP using a full mesh and using the loopbacks of the routers.